All right, we're going to talk about dimensional analysis. I know this is something that we haven't really done in class before, but all you're doing is either multiplying or dividing. It depends on if you're going from something big like miles to something small like feet, you're going to be multiplying because you would expect your number, this number you start with, to be a lot bigger because miles is a lot bigger than feet. But when you have feet, you need more feet to go in a mile. So the first thing you need to know when you're doing dimensional analysis is what is, like how many feet are in a mile. So you need to know the unit conversion. So that rate you might have to look up. You have two problems on dimensional analysis. So you will have to look up how many feet are in a yard or how many ounces are in a pound. But for this problem, for miles and feet, we know that they are 5,280 feet, and that equals 1 mile. And all of this could be found on the internet very easily. All you got to do is literally Google miles to feet conversion or feet to miles conversion, and it pops up. It's probably going to be the first thing that pops up. All right, the way we write these, you always write what's given first. And you make like a little T-chart. So we're given 0.5 miles. So that's what I'm going to write in the top left of my T-chart. Now, the next thing you write is your unit conversion. If miles are already on top, we need to write miles on the bottom. And what number is in front of miles is 1. So we need to write 1 mile on the bottom. What does 1 mile equal? 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So that's what goes on top. So now, what if something's written on top and something written on bottom, what can you do? You can cancel it. So the only thing on top and on bottom are miles. So we could cancel our miles. And now you just multiply across the top. Now, if I had a number on bottom, I would divide by that. So I need to do 0.5 times 5,280. And then when I do that, I get 2,640 feet. I could divide by 1 because that's the number on bottom, but anything divided by 1 is just itself, so that's just a pointless step. You need to make sure you write the units. The only units that are left over after we cancel miles is feet. So that's how you convert miles to feet, is by using this unit conversion.